Hi, today we're going to be going over the relationship mapper functionality that is available in your TechnoMile Growth Suite. This functionality is available on both the account and opportunity level. We're going to be going over it from looking at an account today. So let's first log into our Growth Suite. From here, we're going to go to an account. So I'm going to click on the Accounts tab, and I'm going to select my account. For the purposes of this, I'm going to click on Department of the Army. From here, we can select the Relationship Mapper tab. When we select that, the component will load. You'll notice we have lots of contacts with the Department of the Army, but they're not all necessarily related. We can relate contacts to one another. We can see how our perception is with each contact and how important they are to our overall efforts into this agency. Up here at the top, you can see what the different colors mean, and we can actually go ahead and edit one. So let's edit Amy here. So first we have general information, which is just going to be the basic information, name, email, phone about a contact. Next, we have the relationship information. So we're editing Amy. Let's say Amy is going to report to Alan. So we're going to update who Amy reports to. We're going to say Amy is a high priority and her perception of us, though, is actually weak right now. So when we save that, relationship mapper will reload, and you'll notice Amy has disappeared. And that's because she's over here underneath Alan now. So we now have two people we know who report up to Alan. And it looks like with one, we have a really good relationship, and with one, we have a really bad relationship, or one that we need to work on, actually. That's the relationship mapper